What is PBKDF2 and Backend password security? Imagine trying to crack a password protected by a really tough lock. Now picture that lock using a special process that makes it almost impossible to pick. That's what PBKDF2 does for your passwords. It stands for Password-Based Key Derivation Function 2, and it's a method used to turn user passwords into secure hashes. When someone creates an account, the backend system doesn't store the plain password. Instead, it uses PBKDF2 to turn that password into a unique, scrambled string that's stored safely. PBKDF2 works by applying a cryptographic hash function many times, sometimes thousands or even tens of thousands of times. This process is called iteration. Each time, it mixes the password with a unique random value called a salt. The salt is like adding a secret ingredient to make each hash different, even if two users pick the same password. This prevents attackers from using pre-made tables, called rainbow tables, to reverse the hashes. The main goal of PBKDF2 is to slow down attackers. The more times it hashes the password, the longer it takes to test each possible password. If an attacker tries to guess passwords by brute force, the high number of iterations makes it very time-consuming. For example, a common setup might use 1,000 or 10,000 iterations. This balance keeps the system secure without making login times too slow for users. PBKDF2 usually uses hash functions like hmax-SHA-1 or hmax-SHA-256. These are algorithms that mix the password and salt in a way that's difficult to reverse. When a user logs in, the system takes their entered password, applies PBKDF2 with the stored salt and iteration count, and compares the result to the stored hash. If they match, the password is correct. If not, access is denied. From a development point of view, PBKDF2 is a reliable way to protect passwords. It's supported across many programming languages and platforms. When implementing it, always generate a strong, random salt for each password. Use a high iteration count to resist modern attack speeds, and store both the salt and the hash securely. This way, even if someone gains access to the database, they won't be able to easily reverse the hashes and find the original passwords. In summary, PBKDF2 is a key part of good password security practices. It combines salting and repeated hashing to make cracking passwords much harder. It's flexible, widely supported, and helps keep user data safe by making sure passwords are stored in a way that's tough for hackers to break.